Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got in the Gripsling, got a priority mail, and it's got a little message for us. Thanks for your support. We look forward to intensifying your workouts with Gripsling raw training straps. For your convenience, use our instructional use information and complimentary workout videos that are available at gripsling.com. So I posted this on my IG page. Oh, I got this also, Gripsling, and thank you, Reynaldo. I posted this on my page a couple weeks ago that I was planning on getting these, and they finally came. I did save 20% getting it from them, and you guys get the same discount. It's going to be at Fit for Acting. That's going to be your promo code to save money. But I got these because I wanted to get something that was going to be portable that I can use when I travel with my wife, and once things get back to normal, of course, and my daughter that I'm going to have this year. And you're gonna see, these are them right here. I got two sets. One of them is gonna be like the standard ones, and one is gonna be the XL. So as you can see, these ones are pretty long right here. On one side, I have this hook right here, right? And then this one right here has the Gripsling name. This is some heavy duty material that you could do a bunch of stuff with. On both sides, you're gonna see, same thing, you're gonna have these little holes right here. There's so many different ways that you can use these. I'm gonna actually attach to this video one that I posted before so you guys can see some of the moves. And then in a couple of days, I will be using this for my training and give you examples in videos. Today, I got my physical therapy massage treatment for my friend Jose, so I'm not gonna be doing any demos, but I just wanted to show you that I did get them in, and I do have them, so Gripsling in the house. So yeah, definitely stay tuned if you're not following on YouTube. Make sure to follow Fit for Acting, Instagram, same thing, and I'll have some more cool content for you guys later on. Make sure you stay healthy, take care of yourselves. See you guys soon. Peace. One last thing, if you're looking for a good place to get therapy, make sure to check out HTT_recovery on Instagram. That's my friend Jose. He's also the person that's helping me get back into shape. Take care. Try them out, you guys. You won't regret it. Peace.